Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to move Shift cell down in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then show the Excel document from the data. Now is data from the move Shift cell from the down. Now select from the text data. Now keyboard press from Control Shift plus. Now click keyboard press. Now click for the Shift cell down. Now for OK. That's it. Then show the data from the Shift cell down. So again, and the document. Select from the data. Now keyboard press from Control Shift plus. Now click for the Shift cell down. Now for OK. That's it. Then show the move Shift cell down in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.